What are some good recipe ideas for using tough roast beef leftovers?
Hello everyone! Today, we're talking about some amazing recipe ideas that will give your tough roast beef leftovers a delicious new life. By using some simple cooking techniques and ingredients, you can transform that tough meat into tender, flavorful meals. So, let's dive right in.
What makes roast beef tough?
To better utilize your tough roast beef, it's good to know why it might have ended up tough in the first place. Overcooking is often the culprit. Roast beef is usually cooked to a desired internal temperature, and going beyond that can result in a tougher texture. But don't worry, even if your roast beef has turned out a bit tough, there are still many great ways to use it.
Shredded beef tacos.
The first recipe we'll look at is shredded beef tacos. The magic here is in the slow cooking and moisture, which can help break down tough meat. Here's what you'll need. 1. Leftover roast beef 2. Taco seasoning 3. Salsa 4. Taco shells 5. Your favorite taco toppings: lettuce, cheese, tomatoes, onions, etc. Firstly, shred the roast beef using 2 forks. Then, in a pan, add the beef, taco seasoning, and salsa, and simmer on low heat for about 30 minutes. This process will help tenderize the meat. Finally, load up your taco shells with the shredded beef and your choice of toppings. Voila! You've got delicious shredded beef tacos.
Beef stew.
Our next recipe is a hearty beef stew. Slow simmering in a rich broth can transform your tough roast beef into tender, mouth-watering pieces. You'll need 1. Leftover roast beef, cut into cubes 2. Carrots, potatoes, and onions, chopped 3. Beef broth 4. Seasonings like salt, pepper, and thyme. Firstly, brown the cubed beef in a pot with a little oil. Next, add in the vegetables and seasonings, stir for a minute, then pour in the beef broth until everything is covered. Let it simmer on low heat for about an hour. This stew is not just a great way to utilize leftover beef, but also a comforting meal for cold days.
Beef fried rice.
Lastly, we'll talk about beef fried rice, a quick, delicious meal that's perfect for using up not just your leftover roast beef, but any vegetables you have on hand as well. You'll need 1. Leftover roast beef, chopped into small pieces 2. Cooked rice 3. Mixed vegetables, like peas, carrots, or bell peppers 4. Eggs 5. Soy sauce to start. Scramble the eggs in a large pan or wok. Next, add in the chopped roast beef and vegetables, stirring until they're heated through. Then, add the rice and pour over the soy sauce, mixing everything together. This meal is super versatile, so feel free to mix and match with different ingredients based on what you have. That's it for today's video, folks. We've seen how to turn tough roast beef into delicious tacos, a hearty stew, and a quick fried rice dish. Remember, tough roast beef isn't a lost cause. With a little creativity and the right techniques, it can become a star ingredient in your kitchen. Happy cooking!